Welcome back to the next episode of the alphabet series. This one is P, Q, and R. P, Q, R. Not bad letters. This is a great letter. Standard. Not much you can do with them too. But we'll run through this letter first, the P. I mean, yeah, it's the same either way, isn't it, in capital and non-capital. Same with the Q. No, the Q basically is like that as well, isn't it? Well, I've never seen anyone do tags really with a Q like that. And then R, two ways, R. And the capital version. So, let's get in to the letter P. Like I just said, there's not much to do with this. It's just very similar to D, but obviously upside down. Capital version, non-capital, pretty much, they're just the same, aren't they? I'm just going to get a different colour. That was a bit too light. So the basic one, line. And the semi kind of circle. Go higher, come across for a more square with a curve, straight up square. The curve, trying to bring it in from more of a curve at the bottom. But then you get the little add-ons at the beginning, so you can come from here and go up. We can also come off the edge there. Same with this, with all of them, they can all have this little bit at the top. And then there's this part when you come back into the letter. Obviously it can come out wider, or not so wide, or with an arrow. And that's the same at the bottom. Curl. The extended version of this here. And again, this and this and this. There's basically three parts you can add to the P. So you got that part, and that part. This part here, it can either come square, triangular, I don't know, a bit of a flick in it, circle, or you could completely miss out the top. Have a gap between it. Bit more style and flair added to that one. Same with that. Just over exaggerating these three parts really, as you can see. The fundamentals there, especially in this letter. That's it. Basically that would carry on, wouldn't it? There's the basic P, and then you can see how much has been added onto that. Yeah, so there's a couple of different ways there to write the letter P. Like I always say, it all depends on what's preference to your style. Basic P's. And this here as well, the stick, can be at different angles. Straight. Like I say about this part here, adding stuff to it. Heart. Line, curls, lots to do, lots to practice with. So best thing for you to do is get some pens and start practicing this letter. The next letter, the letter Q. To be fair, it's very similar to the P, isn't it? There's your P and there's your Q. Honestly, I don't think I've ever tagged using that Q. Like, I'm struggling with this. But yeah, it's exactly the same. Right, what we've just done with the P, we're basically just mirror imaging it. So I don't want to spend too much time on this letter. I'll do a few in the non-capital version, but it's all there from the P. we're moving on to the capital version. Like we spoke about with the letter O, there's these sort of shapes to create the circle for O. And then it's all about just doing something with that little stick that you find inside the circle for the letter Q. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird weird letter, sorry. It's not used very often when people tag. And I'm off the top of my head, I can't think of many tags that begin with the letter Q, or people that actually write with the using the letter Q. I mean, if I ever write the Q, I'm kind of just keeping it quite simple, to be fair. But yeah, like I say, there's your 3 shapes, and then it's all about that stick, what you do with that. There's not a lot to do with it. Just getting some other colours. The circle, I suppose you can kind of do an arrow or do it the opposite way, so it's coming out like that. Same, even if you did a square, same kind of arrow to like a square O, and maybe it could have a little flick in it. The triangle, just trying to maybe something like that. Yeah, or kind of in a one line into an arrow, or again a heart or an exclamation mark. I don't know why I'm writing Queen, it's just the first word that comes to my head that has a Q in it. But yeah, the Q, not lots to do with it. And I hope you can get some understanding from that there. Like I say, it's the reverse of the letter P, and then it's basically an O with a stick in it. There's not loads to sort of give you tips about there. But let's go on to the letter R. If you've been watching all of this series so far, you should know anyway, but with words, they're very similar. Sorry, not words, with letters, they're very similar. So now we're going on to the letter R, which is obviously that, or non-capital version. But this is basically a K. It's basically a K in graffiti world. There we go. So if you go back a few videos to the episode I did with the letter K, it's practically that, but all we're gonna do is do the top of it. So if you've seen back in that video, I did a K which is exactly like this. It's got the heart, it's got this, what I've just gone like that instead with the K. Very, very similar letter. But I'll run through some so you can get to see it. But all I'll be doing is basically what I would do with a K. So these are the type of R's you would do at the end of a tag. You wouldn't be doing that in the middle there, right? You can, obviously you can if you want, but they're more for at the end of a tag, in the middle of a tag, or at the start of a tag. Like I've said, you want to exaggerate this part. So we're starting a tag with the letter R. See, it's very similar to the K, that is. That's just to give an example. Rest. In the middle of a tag, think of a word. It's just very simple. I've over exaggerated that to make it kind of like the focal point, because it's kind of the middle of this word here. That's why I can come off the bottom with like that. I'm trying to keep it symmetrical. That's coming pretty much the same length as these. Yeah, and then at the end, again, it's just over exaggerating stuff. So I mean, you can fully drag it out or not to keep it sharp and simple, or add this part just going over the top in the hook of it, or even doing it there. Like I say all the time, it all depends on what suits your style. So yeah, that's the letters P, Q and R. What I'll do now for a minute or two is just drop some tags with those letters involved. There's the R and a P. See, over exaggerating the three letters there, P, Q and R. Big, keeping the E's very simple. There's the Q and there's the R. Let's try and do a Q at the end. We've had a R at the end. These don't actually say anything, I'm just putting the letters together. Trying to one with a Q at the end. Looks a bit like a O, doesn't it? QPR, Queen's Park Rangers. If you don't know, that's a football team in England. There you go. Examples of all the letters together. Hope this video helps. Next episode will be S, T and U. My favourite letter, S. Thanks for watching. Like always, drop anything in the comments that you want help with or you want to see. Okay, cool. Peace.